Hello everyone, we are from Group 8 and we want to present our project proposal for project management. This is our group members. Our objective for this project is to provide parking spaces for vehicles in Jalan BBLS2, Southville City. And our aim is to complete this project that can accommodate around 200 vehicles. And this building is known as Nexus Car Park Building. So for geographic location, this project is located at an area in Jalan BBLS2, and the nearby buildings are office buildings and shop lots.
Constructions Berhad is a reputable company specializing in constructions and infrastructure development project. Our key activities involve constructions and developments of residential, commercials, and infrastructure project. This is our project organization chart. The visions of this project is to build a sustainable and innovative three-story car park building in South Village City. And the mission of this project is to deliver a car park facilities that meets the growing demand of parking spaces in this city. The motivations behind our mission and vision is to address the increasing parking challenges. And by focusing on the key values such as safety, sustainability, and customer satisfactions, we believe that our organization is well suited to undertake this project.
So the issues faced in this project is sounds coming from machineries and equipments that may cause disturbance to the public, and also the safety and the welfare of laborers on site construction following incidents happening there. So this is our deliverables, some of our technical requirements, and also some of the exclusions.
As for the project relevance and need, Southville City is a township by Mah Sing Group with an area of about 428 acres, which includes commercial, recreational, and residential buildings. It is estimated that this township is serving around 69,000 residents. Because of that, traffic jams and a lack of parking is not an uncommon sight in Southville City. By having enough parking spaces, businesses around the area would gain by having more customers be able to park their vehicles at our parking lot. It would also be beneficial for the residents in the residential buildings as they do not provide enough parking for those that have more than one private vehicle. This project would greatly benefit the township as the value of residential units would increase, which will drive more profits for each residential building. With an estimate of 69,000 residents in Southville City, it far exceeds the available parking spaces around the township, as high-rise residential buildings only provide an average of around one parking space per housing unit. Given that Bangi is lacking in public transportation, there would be more users with multiple private vehicles, which fills up the available parking spaces. Because of this, the population is underserved, where parking spaces are full almost all the time, and it may cause road users to double park and block the road, which may cause traffic jams and road congestions. Because of this project will not face much competition as the local residents are quite underserved. In terms of resources, we have sufficient funding from our company and also by Southville City's developer. We are also partnered with a supplier for materials and equipment. The project is estimated to be around 42 weeks long, starting from the 24th of March 2023 to the 8th of January 2024. It is expected that the land acquisition and construction works to be the most expensive, in which both of them combined is estimated to be more than 5 million ringgit in cost. The source of the revenue for this project would be from parking fees from customers and also billboard advertising rent.
In terms of project activities, we have 6 project milestones. The first one is acquiring the site in Southville City. The next is acquiring the permits to be approved by the MPKJ. Next is the reinforcement of construction, rectifying defects at locations, final inspection, and of course the occupancy of the development. This entire project will take approximately 42 weeks or 288 days to be completed on the 8th of January 2024. The work breakdown structure is separated into 5 stages of design, site preparation, interior exterior construction, electrical and mechanical services, and finishes. The risk assessments can be divided into 5 different categories: startup, worker health, weather, cost estimation, environmental regulations, and noise pollution. Each risk is differentiated and should be passed down to the relevant departments for mitigation and prevention purposes. These are the finance department, safety, planning and legal, and engineering departments. Upon appearance of risk, assessment shall be done through priority and also risk response control. SWOT analysis is used to pinpoint project priorities and allows easier planning with what can be done to better acclimate towards these new risks.
The next part is the expected impacts and the benefits, which is we have 3 types of impacts. For the first one, we have expected results or impacts, which is a change in parking convenience. The second one is direct and indirect impacts, which is it is give to the natural environment. And the third one, it gives the national implications and benefits, which is it gives us the community awareness. Next, we have 3 types of intellectual property, which is branding and image, prototype, process, and procedure. And lastly, here is one of the customer review, which is from Aliana Lisa. She's from Southville City Sales Corporation, which is she gave a good review for this project.